In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use column locking in Monday.com. Column locking is a simple way to protect key data on your boards, so only the right people can make changes. This is especially helpful for fields like budgets, due dates, or status columns that drive automations. You'll need to have the proper permissions on the board, typically as an owner, to set these restrictions. Start on the Monday.com home. If you're not already there, use the main navigation to return to your home screen so you can easily jump into the right area of your account. From here, open Workspaces in the left sidebar. Workspaces keep your boards organized by team or project, and going through them ensures you're working in the correct place. Next, open the board where you want to lock a column. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct board, because the permissions you're about to set will apply to this specific board and its columns. Now, find the column you want to control and open its menu by clicking the three-dot icon next to the column header. This icon reveals all the actions available for that column. In the menu that appears, hover over Settings to expand its options. This keeps things tidy and groups related controls, including permissions. Select Restrict Column Editing. This opens a permission panel for the column. You'll see options to decide exactly who can change values in this column. The goal is to balance control with collaboration. Keep editing rights tight for sensitive fields and leave other columns open so your team can work smoothly. Choose who can edit this column. You can limit editing to board owners or specify individuals and teams who need access. If you're unsure, a good rule of thumb is to start with owners or the small group directly responsible for the data, then expand later if needed. Finally, use the search field to enter a person's name and select them from the list. Add anyone else who should have permission. Your selection saves right away, and from this point on, only the people you've chosen can change the column's values. Others will still see the data, but they won't be able to edit it. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Look for a small lock indicator on restricted columns to confirm your settings, and remember you can revisit the same menu anytime to adjust access. If you have multiple sensitive columns, repeat this process for each one to keep your board consistent and secure. That's it. Your column is now locked down to the right people, keeping important information accurate and protected while your team keeps moving forward.